Welcome to Small Business Solver, your small business advisor at your fingertips. We're going to give an overview of how best to use Small Business Solver depending on what your business is and where you're at. So there's two major ways to go. Is you can just jump right into some of the training, or you can actually take any of the business checkup tools. So if you already know where you want to focus and what you need to accomplish, jumping right into the training is probably a quick and easy way to do that. So if you need to write a business plan, there's an entire course and all the templates and everything that you need in order to write your business plan. So that's there. If you want to understand what stage of business that you're in and strategic implications of each stage, this is really great. You can jump into sales, and you can either do that in terms of stage of the funnel or how you're ramping up your sales. If you need a marketing plan, just jump into the marketing training. It starts you from A to Z all the way to getting you to a marketing plan and everything that you need to consider. And the last thing being finance. So if you need an overview of finance within the small business realm, jump there. For anything else, you can jump to our YouTube channel or our video blog and search. You can just search anything and any topic that you need if you already know what you need. On the flip side, like we said, this is actually e-coaching. So if you don't know what you need, there's a lot of different checkups to self-identify what you do need. So starting at the top, what needs fixing in your business? If you are in almost any stage of business, and no matter what your challenge is, this quiz will actually help you identify where to start in terms of what business decisions need to be made. So let's say you're any of these stages, any of these questions. I'm just going to choose the first one. I'm good at what I do. I don't really understand the business component behind it, but it could be any of these statements which should really resonate with you. We click submit and it will actually tell you what decisions you need to make in the order that you need to make them and why. So why this model is actually in here. So in terms of revenue streams, if we just clicked on it, we'd be able to jump right into its objective, its outcome, a 10-minute video, and then actually a put in practice worksheet. So all of our worksheets are in Word, so you can either just pull them up, see them on your computer, or you can actually print them off in black and white, so that's quick and easy to use it. Other than that, if you don't want to watch the video, you can just read along and figure out what not to do, action steps, top thing to learn, and a mini case study that's involved for each of these. So that is the first business checkup. The next one is, will your idea fly? So let's say you're thinking about different ideas. They say that every person comes up with $3 million ideas a year. So this is a great idea tester to see whether or not, A, it's a good idea, and B, will it work for you? So what's the cost of starting up your business? So whatever that cost might be, just put it in. So that could be your website, your office, all the fixed costs that you have, your average price of each sale. So put in whatever that might be, the average cost per sale, how many days you're willing to work, your salary. So you just fill out basically all of these different questions. How many employees, average work day, and you click submit, and it actually does analysis of your break-even of whether or not this makes sense for you. It passes and fails you, but like the failure is not a failure, it's a tweak. And you can see it actually says specifically where in the Will It Fly book that's also available to you and on what page to focus on in order to improve that part. So in terms of on the Will It Fly, before you take the quiz, there is an ebook available for you. Just here you can see the book. You can download it, and that is your reference guide for how to tweak your business idea. Next one, marketing tools. So a lot of people, they just randomly select tools. Well, this again is going to help you be more strategic. So you basically just fill this out based on what you need for your business, based on how much time and money you have and what you need your marketing tools to do. You click submit and it will actually tell you out of 300 marketing tools which one to start with. So you can see it actually gives you the order of how to do it. And when we have additional cheat sheets for you, there's these little views on the side. You can actually download additional cheat sheets of how to improve that part. And there's actually a downloadable piece here as well. So download and put in practice as well. Great. Okay, so that is already a lot of really neat tools. The next one is all about your sales. So a lot of people think their problem in sales is closing. Well, the Sales Solver calculator will actually figure out if that's true for you. So let's go back to your example of how much money do you want to make, your average price, how many customers do you already have, how many have you lost? You just fill this out, how many might want to buy from you. You know about 4,000 of them, aware, let's say it's 500. Interested of that, actually 100. Closed prospects, let's say it's 50. Click submit, and it will actually tell you what part of the sales pipeline you need to focus on and why. So in this case, it says create awareness. It's done the math for you, and it's identified all the best practices to help with this stage of the sales funnel. Okay, next one is what to expect when you're starting. So again, this is based on every stage of getting started. What are the paradigm shifts that are going to be happening? And it literally walks through your first year of business and says what you can be expecting. So as you can see, Small Business Solver can either jump right into what you need, or it can do specific checkup to help you select where you need to start. Every single one of these modules, there's 250, have the videos, have lots of content, have put in practice worksheets. It's all about moving you forward. And it's less of an e-learning and it's more of an e-coaching. So we hope that you enjoy. Good luck out there.